Yo, God, where you at? In the hood, it's become mad. I told my friend, they like that. No brief, can't breathe, enough said. It's like come half that, no half step. Now I have that. I feel these days, things that call rap. Maybe it's me. Maybe I've been smoking too much street. Maybe too much stress. Maybe not me. Maybe it's the cops. Maybe it's that nigga Rodney who's scared to be shot. Well, I don't wanna maybe nation had nothing to show. Maybe it's the end of the road. Maybe it's the end of the show. Who knows? Me, I wanna go out of here, flee. Gangsters, don't do that, my nigga. Screw that. You get yourself some guns. Remember Black Rodney? Yeah, you know I look what they got me. Crooked cop, smoked up, shorty, crooked. All the side, plug got me, not me. Then fuck that. Yeah, what you had? I ain't making these companies richer than they are black. No more, not me. Need no more. I need time to be alone. Think about this. Bust below. Maybe stay stoned, stay alone, home alone, like Stallone. Maybe the phone is dead. Maybe there's something outside we don't know. Maybe the government is telling us something they don't wanna show. Maybe I'm just losing my head. I don't know. Gotta get back to fellow. Bang, I'm dead. Bang, I'm dead. Bang, I'm dead. Start a small town, dope game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game, crack game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game, crack game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game, cocaine, cocaine. Start a small town, dope game, crack game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game, crack game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game, crack game, crack game. Start a small town, dope game. Everybody is insane. Young C 2020, we out, man. Dirk, I see you. What's up? What's good, my nigga? 88781199, we out here, nigga. Rest in peace to my nigga Christopher. Rest in peace to my nigga Chico. Rest in peace to